Some customers have already requested using 2D codes. We are already discussing whether we can print them and maybe include the best before date. The Schneefrost Group is an owner-managed mid-size company. My name is Sükrü Celebi and I'm responsible for the Schwarmstedt site. We produce high-quality products such as potato pockets, potato wedges and hash browns packed in folding boxes or in bags. We produce our own brands, but we also manufacture private label products for retail and wholesale customers. Our current production capacity isn't sufficient to meet market demand. Going forward, we intend to increase automation and digitalization so we can manage our processes more effectively. We chose Wipotec because we need a long-term partner who can help us develop and support our future projects. And over time, this has proven. We have already received strong support, always had a direct point of contact, and communication has been fast and straightforward. My name is Ralf Bistritzky and I'm the Deputy Technical Manager. 3 years ago, we began modernizing our entire machinery. We now use the TQS system, which is our newest flagship. Starting in the in-feed, the system first prints the marking. Then we have a metal detector and a weighing unit. And finally, the system ejects any non-conforming products. Previously, with our older setup of separate devices placed one after another, the entire line was naturally much longer. Now it's optimized with everything combined into a very short footprint. The advantage of this system is that it combines 3 separate devices into one. This makes the whole process more efficient. It speeds things up and makes operation much easier for our employees. Before installing the system, we gave our staff some time to get familiar with it. And once it went into operation, it worked very well right from the start. The camera inspection in the system is excellent. We can detect all errors and eject affected products. In the past, we retrofitted our own standalone camera systems on different lines, but that always added complexity because we had to introduce additional components and make them interact with the rest of the process. Operators had to understand this and reconfigure it for each product. With the Wipotec system, all of that is integrated. Errors are detected immediately after printing, and the layout is always accurate. Right now we can only apply the 2D code or QR code on this one line. It isn't possible on any of the other lines. We would have to retrofit them because the printers currently installed there simply aren't capable of that level of printing. The RFID reader offers the advantage that not only can different groups log in, but each person also receives the optimal level of access. It's very convenient to log in and get to work using the reader in connection with our system. We still operate older Wipotec checkweighers. Some of them even date back to the OCS days and are up to 18 years old. We are still able to get spare parts for them. Some parts are installed by our own staff, but most of the work is handled by Wipotec's service team. And whenever something needs to be retrofitted, for example when we introduce a new product, they take care of it quickly and without delay. Connecting our machines to ComScale is an important topic for us. We want to continue advancing this together with our parent company Schneefrost. By using ComScale, we gain a broad overview of all process steps with visual displays we can use for quality assurance. This will help us to achieve the best possible product. As a company, and I in particular, want to say that we are very satisfied with Wipotec. I have to say the service has been excellent and I give a full recommendation, a perfect 10. Yeah, it's really like that. It always works out. Whenever I call, someone is always available. When I had an issue the other day, I asked for support. He called me back and said, "Go ahead and plug it in. I'm here for you. Everything's fine."